वी डू स्मॉल थिंग्स विद ग्रेट लव। हमारी फैमिली का हिस्सा बनिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेस्टेड मैंगो को और क्लिक कीजिए बेल आइकन पे। एंजॉय कीजिए लर्निंग, एंटरटेनमेंट और Hello friends, welcome on the Nested Mango channel. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity developer. So guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the null reference exception. So it is a common exception when we do not give any reference from our hierarchy. So normally we face such type of the problem. So today we will learn how we can solve this problem, and this is a problem I was facing in my game. So just I'm going to tell you because maybe someone face such type of the problem. So guys, you can see that I have a ball and camera and there is a level holder. So when I am playing my game, so I'm getting this null reference exception. So why I'm getting this? So normally people think that if we are passing the reference, so we should not get such type of the error. So I have also done same thing. I have passed the I am passing the reference. So I'm just going to show you that this is my code and I'm getting error at this line. So you can see this is the camera relative right, and then I am accessing the main camera. So the problem is that it's not getting the main camera reference. But why? Because I'm giving the main camera reference. So this is in the update I am calling it. So there are two methods. We can see that main camera equal to camera.main. So by this line of the code, I am just passing the reference of the camera to the script. So it should take the reference, because if you are not going to pass the reference from the hierarchy, so you can write this code. So when I am writing this code, so it should run, but when I am running this code, it's not working properly. So what is the proper solution? The proper solution is that when you are doing with the code and your code is not working properly, so just you have to comment that code, and then you have to write the public in the declaration, and then you have to pass the camera reference to the in the script. So this is the common solution, and hope you learn something. And I'm going to run my game, and you can see that I'm not getting any errors. So this is solution. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.